Stop paying for premium just to add more indicators. Use this prompt instead. Even if you have basic plan in your TradingView account, it is possible to add multiple indicators without purchasing a premium plan. Let's go to ChatGPT. So I'm asking ChatGPT to act like an expert PineScript coder and create an error-free code to add multiple indicators like EMA, SMA, Bollinger Bands, RSI, and stochastic. Okay, it has created a PineScript code for us. Let's try to copy this. Okay, let's see what it is also saying. Okay, it's saying if you want, I can create RSI and stochastic in a second pane. That is what we want because RSI and stochastic are displayed in the bottom basically. So let's see right now with this code how it is going to work. Then we can decide. So I have copied the code, and there is a icon over here on the right side. If we select this one, there will be a Pine editor which we can open, and you have to click on create new indicator. Then whatever code is there here, just select all, paste, control V, and add it to chart. Click on add it to chart, so you will be able to see all the indicators that we have asked it to generate. Okay, what if we click stochastic and this one, RSI? Okay, RSI and stochastic are not happening, but all the others are present. So EMA, SMA is there, Bollinger Band, upper band, middle one, basics, uh, and low band is there. Okay, but RSI is not showing. I think we have to go with what ChatGPT has suggested us. So let's check that out. So okay, I've asked it to generate RSI and stochastic in a second pane. I think we have got the script. Wait, let's ask it to generate as a two indicators because we want our EMA, SMA, and Bollinger Band in the first panel. So let's ask it to do it. Okay, I'm asking it to make EMA, SMA, Bollinger Bands as first indicator and stochastic and RSI as the second one. I think that will work out because let's see. I'll delete this one. Pine script. Select all. Paste. Add to chart. Yes, We can see EMA, SMA, and Bollinger Bands here. So we can give the length as well. If I want 9, I can give 9. And SMA also I can change. Bollinger Bands I like to leave it here. If you want, you can change the values here too. Style also we can select colors, length, and colors of our choice. So yeah, if you don't want, you can uncheck this box. Yeah, this is working pretty good. Now let's try to copy the second indicator, which is RSI and stochastic. Again, we'll go to Pine Editor, click on this, and lower arrow, and then click on create new. Here we want to create an indicator again. Now select all and paste the code which we have copied from ChatGPT. Then click on add. Yeah, now we see RSI plus stochastic. So here, okay, now we see mm, if I try to take out stochastic ones, now we see only RSI, where I can modify the values. Take the if we don't want any of the configuration here, we can uncheck that box and click on OK. And yeah, we can see the values as well. Here it is 43, 43.77, 45. That's cool. And if I want to see only stochastic, let's see. I have enabled only stochastic ones. And yeah, here we can give the lens smoothing factor as well, and also for the RSI also it is shown like how much length we want to add, like we can modify it. Okay, if I click on OK, yes, the values are shown here as well. So we have currently 5 indicators. Like this we can add more. And also when you are creating multiple indicators using prompts in ChatGPT, then when you copy paste the code which is being generated by ChatGPT into PineScript editor in the TradingView account, then if you face any error, then just copy that error, paste it in the ChatGPT, and ask it to resolve the error and give an error free code. With this, it will give us the error free code which we can copy paste in the PineScript code editor and add it to the chart, and it will work. So like this, even a non-coder can make use of this and add more indicators to the chart and use. If you like this video, do subscribe for more such videos, and do let me know in the comments if you have faced any issues while generating the script or while adding the script to the chart. I'll try to reply in the comments, and also I'll add all these prompts in the description below.